Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside Gmail, so open Mail. Google. Com in a desktop browser and sign into the correct Google account right away. Once signed in, make sure you can see the left-hand menu and search bar. This gives full access to history tools. If Google asks for reauthentication, complete it now so you keep uninterrupted access. You'll use the search box and filters next, so position yourself at the inbox view and confirm you're working in the account that contains the emails you need. Now you'll refine the search. Type operators like from Alice at example, com or subject, invoice and combine them with after, 2022/01/01 and before, 2022/12/31 to narrow date ranges. Click the small drop-down icon in the search bar to see fields for from, to, subject, has attachment, and size, which helps you craft complex queries without memorizing syntax. Once done, press Enter to view results, then open all mail or spam if messages don't appear in inbox. Make sure labels aren't hiding messages. Finish by exporting or archiving what you need. Select messages and use Print to save as PDF or visit Takeout. Google. Com to export mail in mbox format for audits. If you're performing an account review, check filters and forwarding under settings and audit connected devices in Google Account Security. If expected emails are missing, look in trash and spam, confirm no filters auto-delete, and verify IMAP/POP settings. If problems persist, sign out on other devices and retry after clearing cache. That often resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.